Are you old school? You still have an actual book that you write people's names and numbers in and addresses and mail them birthday cards and things like that. Okay, your buyer's book. You got the blue buyer's book or the black buyer's book. Okay, fine, put them there. But this is your gold. Now, this is the group that you now serve, because these are the ones that made it through the pipeline to you. And they somehow liked everything enough that they ended up buying something. Now, the key to this, these are your super fans. So let's give it an analogy. Let's say that I'm an artist. Let's say that I was a hip hop musician who made entrepreneur music. I know it's a weird, I got a creative imagination. So let's say that in an alternate universe, I actually did hip hop. I made music and it was for entrepreneurs. I wish there's something like that, right? In that case, you're going to have some people that don't even know you. They have no idea who I am. They never heard of Chris Record. That means I don't even have any KLT factor. They don't know. They've never heard of me. Have no idea who you're talking about. Mention a song, never heard of it. Now, then there's going to be some people that might stumble across the videos. Let's say I had some songs like Life of an Entrepreneur, or Entrepreneurs Got Choices, or Hodlgate. I'm making up some weird names right now for the example. Let's say I had some songs out there on the internet that got millions of views. Well, now there's millions of people that are starting to get awareness of who this Chris Record entrepreneur rapper is. So they know that person. That doesn't mean they like him. They know, they've heard of it just because there's exposure. There's a lot of exposure. Now, what does it take to get the like? Know you means you're creating awareness and you're getting yourself out there. It can be done with ads. It can be done with organic marketing.